12 Dodge.
No, bro, it's an 18. Give me some credit over here. Keep it clean, though, you know? What's up, everyone? This is Jose, owner of SpeedLab Creations. Obviously, we've been absent from making videos or anything like that just because we've been super busy. It's a new year, 2023. Obviously, I know we're already in February, and start showing you guys a little bit more of what actually happens behind the scenes of, you know, what, on a day-to-day basis and stuff like that. So, yeah, right now we're actually on our way to HMP. We went yesterday, the first outing for the 56 Fairlane, and it went pretty well. And we rented the track yesterday, or Dewey did. He rented it again today. So, you know, we're going back to push the car a little bit further along and, you know, get some data. Obviously, data is king. Can't get fast without having no data. So, you know, again, it's a brand new build too. So we're working out the kinks on everything, suspension, I mean, just everything in general. We're going to make sure the converter is actually doing what it's supposed to. Tune-up is on point. You know, Chris Delgado did a really good job. If people don't know who that is, it's the owner, or one of the owners of Pro Speed Auto Sports, I think. And, you know, so he's the one that's handling the tune-up. Kenny Hubbard, hopped up by Hubbard and setting up the chassis and suspension and stuff. So, I mean, we have some really good people around the car and stuff. So team in general, like just trying to have a good team. Everyone is good at their niche, everyone's good at what they do and stuff like that, you know. And you know, like I said, this car is it's a kind of an oddball deal. It's an old ass car. Chassis is very old. We made some updates to it. We did a floater, we did anti-roll bar, we added some bars to it to make it safer, make it more up to date. I mean, it dated as a 6.0 cert, so I mean it has the, you know, the best chassis as far as certing goes. So it's like I said, it's good to go, and you know, we're excited. You know, like I said, last night was very promising, and not even in the best condition and stuff. Today's a lot better. It's 61 degrees outside and nice and sunny, and you know, not too hot, not too cold. Obviously, we took 3 hits yesterday, so none of them were full all-out hits. I mean, the last one I think I left off like at 300 foot or some shit, or a little bit less actually. But again, like I said, the numbers it showed and stuff, it was very promising. So we're going HEP right now, and we're gonna see what it does. Hopefully, come back with the same results as, you know, that it ran good. And the biggest thing and the biggest W for me is to make sure after we're done testing, it actually drives on the trailer on its own power. So as long as we're not pushing that motherfucker in, we should be all right. So.
Oh, we're playing games now.
That is Dewey with white rice.
Oh, right. Whoa, it almost took you back. Shit, you look little. That thing looks like a double stacker next to you.
All right, everyone, so we made a first lick, and man, it went down Broadway. Like I said, we're still tweaking a few things on the chassis and everything else. It looks like at the, you know, I let it off probably right around 350, maybe 400 foot mark. We're about to pull the log and stuff. You know, it kind of slightly went left, and I don't know if it's me trying to correct or whatnot. We have a little problem with the steering where it's not 100% straight. So it was worse yesterday. We fixed that last night before we left and loaded up. So it's a lot better. But we'll see, like I said, we'll see. You know, it's still a learning process with the car. Like I said, it's a whole new fresh build. So we did go another personal best. We're tweaking that little by little. And number one deal is that it's safe. We're not sitting there full blasting it and then figuring out why something didn't work. So we're still checking converter pressure. We're taking a lot of stuff, you know, over the tune and stuff. The motor's been sitting for 4 years, you know. So like I said, we're just going over the in and outs on it and making sure that everything's fine. You know, Delgado's doing an amazing job on it, tuning in and stuff like that. So I think now we're gonna start turning it up a little bit and starting to lean into it a little bit and kind of see where it takes us. But for the most part, everything's good and yeah, so pretty happy with it. So we made our second hit, and you know, went good. Obviously, turned it up a little bit, gave it some more boost and stuff. But decided to want a wheelie, higher wheelie. So obviously, wheelies are not fun, and try my best to bring it down safely, so it won't try and crash or anything like that. But made some adjustments and stuff.
You let out, right?
Huh?
Why'd you let out?
Why did I let out?
Yeah.
What you mean for?
Everybody's calling you this.
Yeah, okay. That's a lot of money in that thing. Take too much video of that. That's a prototype.
Prototype.
What did you save yesterday's? Oh, you were saving them at fuel?
Yeah, if you go to save as, you'll see the other ones. It's like HMP, the date, and then HMP, and then test.
Okay, I got you. I looked at it, you was like, I gotta do something about the suit. It's one layer.
It's not a methanol one.
Yeah, I know.
At least you got a 15 suit.
He was like, you got measurements? I've been having measurements.
The suits are on sale as a clearance. And it's the color of your car, that's why they're on sale. They're fucking nice. Because it kind of matches this. It's the color. The colors.
No shit.
I got a liquid red and some white. Yeah, they're nice.
Gotta jump on that. Last pass didn't go as quite like we wanted. Obviously, spun pretty hard. Like, looked like it wanted to take it, and then let the tire loose, which is fine. Like I said, this is why we test and stuff. But we end up in a good note regardless, because we can start this motherfucker and drive it back into the trailer. So I think it's a win in my book, and we get to go back and go back to the drawing board and see what we need to fix and